In this guide, you learn how to use Target Chat. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the My Target page. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll all the way down and click on the option Help Center. You'll be directed to this page. Here you're gonna find different options. Select Contact Options. Now click on any of the option. Now at the top right, you're gonna find the option of Contact. Click on that. You will get two options. You can use the option of Chat with them or give them a call. Select the option Chat with us, then click on Start Chat. Wait for a few seconds. Now a chat window will open where you may first interact with Target's virtual assistant. Type in your question or briefly describe the issue you are experiencing, such as an order problem, return request, delivery issue, payment concern, or account question. The virtual assistant may provide instant answers or guide you through common solutions. If your issue requires additional assistance, follow the prompts to connect with a live Target customer support representative during available chat hours. Once connected, explain your issue clearly and provide any requested information, such as your order number or account details. The representative will help you resolve your issue or provide the next steps. And that's it. This way you can easily use Target Chat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.